you ready, Ray?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Beet Cooks On. Today we're talking about our latest taco dish, our tacos al pastor. Be sure to check out Felino's prep. Okay, I don't want to do that. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Beet Cooks On. Today we are pouring the Slangria from Rhinegeist as our pairing for our latest dish, tacos al pastor. The Slangria has notes of pomegranate, blueberry, and lime. It's refreshing, it's delicious, it's a fruited ale coming from Rhinegeist Brewery in Cincinnati, Ohio. Check out this color, beautiful red color. Finished off with a little fresh lime to really enhance the flavors of the drink as well as the dish. Be sure to check out our other videos on our sake Rita, which also pairs great with our new taco dish, the tacos al pastor. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel at the Beet Nantucket and subscribe. So when we produce and post new episodes, you'll be one of the first to know. We look forward to seeing you at the Beet soon. Cheers.